In a busy city like Chattanooga, businesses and industries are thriving. As you stroll past building after building, you may be completely unaware of the major technological advances happening inside. Like a 3D printing company that does more than you'd think.
It started with just a sketch. That sketch then turned into some mock-ups, but this little piece that weighs about a half an ounce supported 18 pounds of books. My name is Platt Boyd. I'm an architect, but also the CEO. Branch is really about unprecedented design freedom and resource stewardship in the construction arena. And we do that by prefabricating large-scale wall panels using 3D printing and robots to 3D print with. So the unique aspect of what we do is that material solidifies in open space almost immediately when it comes out of the nozzle. You don't have to have support material or layered buildup, and it allows almost anything to be possible.
Co-founder Christopher Weller is a robot taming visionary.
Every building has to be unique. It has to respond to conditions that vary from site to site. So that's where 3D printing has a real advantage. I think over the next 10 to 15 years, it will make a big impact in industries that people haven't necessarily thought of. We may very well be living in a world where the first 3D printed product people own is their home.
With their innovative approach, Branch Technology found themselves designing for the future.
So NASA sponsored a contest to develop 3D printing either on the moon or on Mars using indigenous materials to that environment. The end goal is that a robot would be sent out there, a 3D printing system would be sent to the moon or Mars and could be deployed and run completely autonomously.
With a time limit of 22 hours, the team had to print sustainable housing suitable for both Earth and beyond.
We won first place in the overall head-to-head contest. The engineering challenges come from all directions, especially when the team is small. All the team members kind of have to take on roles that may go beyond what their degree trained them for.
The enthusiasm of the 3D printing industry attracts people of all talents, like Caroselli, a robot operator with an art degree.
I think I'd like people to know that automation is the future and it will be really cool and more people should get into it.
In the near future, we may actually see the day where the science fiction concept of life on other planets becomes reality.